What's up guys, my name is Connor and today I have a review for you guys on the Rolex GMT Master 2 Pepsi with the Meteorite dial. I'm going to be breaking down all the details of this watch as well as trying it on, so if you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe button as it really helps out my channel and gets my videos shown to more people. And with that said, let's get right into the video. So this is the white gold GMT Master 2 with the Meteorite dial. And fun fact, this dial is actually made of Meteorite. It's 4 different pieces that they placed on the front of the dial. The bracelet as well as the case is going to be complete white gold. And circling back to the case of the watch, it is going to be a 40mm. So taking a closer look at the case of this watch, we're going to have the 24-hour GMT ceramic Pepsi bezel around the sapphire crystal protecting the Meteorite dial of this watch. And both the hands and the markers are both going to be luminescent. The sapphire crystal is also going to have a Cyclops lens to magnify the date. And then turning this watch to the side, we're going to have the Trip-Lock triple waterproof system right here, which is going to make this GMT waterproof for 100 meters or 330 feet. And then circling back to the bracelet, we're going to have flat 3-piece links making up the Oyster Braclet. The middle link is going to be mirrored, so you can see how reflective it is compared to the outer ones. And then circling back to the Oyster clasp, we're going to have a double lock right here, making this almost impossible to fall off your wrist, because if the outer one comes off, then you still have the inner one locked up. And then on the inside of that, we're going to have the comfort extension, which is going to allow this watch to be adjusted by 5mm. So who is this watch for? Obviously the Pepsi bezel is very classic, as it's been around since 1955 and has been extremely successful for Rolex. And like I said at the beginning, this watch comes in a stainless steel and a white gold. So the person that buys this one is looking for something that's a little bit more high end than the stainless steel, which most people have. Obviously Rolex produces a few less white golds than they do stainless steel, and even less with the Meteorite dial. So this is for someone who is a big fan of the Pepsi bezel, but wants to go for the most limited model possible. So with that said, if you guys like this watch or any other watch that I post on my channel, make sure to reach out to me on Instagram at connor.langley, or my Facebook, just Connor Langley, and let's get that watch on your wrist. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, and also don't forget to comment what else you guys want to see on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.